Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back through daily crypto news and analysis, and I hope everybody's having a great day or a great weekend, whatever the case may be. And honestly, today we're going to be talking about Ripple XRP and why I do think that right now is the most important time to really kind of continue to watch this market. As we are seeing Bitcoin dominance kind of ranging on, Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of ranging on as well, we also see some altcoins like XRP kind of flipping into a little bit of a bullish price move. Up about 5.32% and up 9.82% on the 7-day span. Now, we are on the edge of the wire for November. We know what November brings. It's not, anything too exciting, but it welcomes in the month of December. And you might be wondering, well, why is that even important? Well, you should know, especially if you are an XRP holder. Here is November. In fact, while November was continuing on, we marched forward on into December, and here's that major December pump on XRP to the current all-time high. Now, I do think that we pretty much will range on and retest the all-time high sooner than expected, sooner than most people expect actually as well, and I do think that a 10x opportunity from our current price points could very well be possible. In fact, I think that we go to $10 plus easily, and I've always said $10 to $15 is a fairly reasonable position for XRP, and I do outline this in my exit strategy. Now, just so you guys know, real quick plug, I know, shameless plug, if you guys do want to get my exit strategies and all that kind of stuff, you guys could do so on my website, NCashOfficial.com. This includes all my XRP community stuff, as well as my in-depth trading indicators and all that kind of stuff. There's so much stuff on here, a ton of value as well. But the Ultimate Crusader Trading Bundle Pack is the best deal for your buck because also it includes everything on the website as well as all feature products for free. So it is the best dollar for dollar thing on this website. So with that being said, you guys aren't obligated to purchase anything. I'm just letting you guys know for ahead of time for anybody who is interested. But let's move on. So listen, I've been seeing a lot of negativity around XRP. I see a lot of people saying, dude, this thing is not moving. It's a stable coin, blah, blah, blah. It's not doing anything. And different times, same feeling. XRP will break, this fraction of a cent level soon. Remember my words. This was March 17th, okay? And I just want this individual, I hope that they were holding XRP all the way until the end. But look at this. Honestly, doubt that. Their available volume is way too big. To reach a price of $1, XRP market cap needs to be huge. It is the same base point that we have always said since day one. People say the same thing right now about $100 XRP, even though we know, logically speaking, that XRP will be valued at $100 at some point in time. Maybe not this bull run, but at some point in time. But wait, you might not believe me, but why don't you believe what is happening behind closed doors? Rosie Rios, who is the co-host of Unicorn Hunters and also the 43rd Treasurer of the United States. She's also on many dollar bills as well as many $100 bills. Now, check this out, right? XRP's primary purpose is facilitating cross-border payments while other cryptos find their value in speculation. China's latest move brings this point home. Listen, her name is on your money. Understand what is happening. Rosie has zero doubt the train has left the station. Want to clarify that, in my opinion, while Ripple is committed to the cross-border use case, developers globally every day are pursuing other use cases, including store of value, medium of exchange, etc. for multiple blockchains/cryptos. Understand what Ripple's overall goals are. In fact, check this out. The cryptocurrency XRP has the potential to become the most important, the best financial development of this century. XRP is here to stay. Thank you, Ripple team. Understand what you guys are holding. Now, I do also want to talk to you guys about some things that are actually very interesting. In fact, look at this. Unlocking $120 billion in value in cross-border payments report by Jpmorgen and Oliver Wyman mentions Ripple and XRP. Right now, global corporates have to rely on processes that result in additional costs from FX conversion, trapped liquidity, and delayed settlements. This is pretty interesting. So how banks can leverage central bank digital currencies for corporates. Check this out. This actually is a little bit of a rabbit hole, if you will. And of course, Ripple is mentioned. Oh, look at that. Swift is also mentioned. Pretty interesting. Cryptocurrency XRP as the settlement instrument, high volatility of XRP leading to limited willingness from banks. Yeah, we already know about that. Relatively high cost owing to spreads between fiat and XRP. Listen, we already know that first off, XRP, Ripple's overall base point here is the lowest cost. I don't even understand why they're trying to focus on this. Like, XRP doesn't offer the lowest cost here, the instant settlement, and of course, the most transparency. We have already seen their SME report that they are focused on all three of those. But it is what it is. Of course, it's Jpmorgen. Now, we do see here, as for the challenges mentioned about XRP, such as high volatility and big spreads, it's not actually true since price volatility is irrelevant, and in liquid corridors, there isn't much issue. And I do greatly appreciate that they did focus on this because, again, a lot of this stuff is not true that these big banking firms and these big firms in general and these massive asset management firms and hedge funds talk about. It's untrue. It's not true. They didn't do the research, and that's as simple as it is. Now, I do also want to talk to you guys about some other things. I agree. Something is fishy. XRP saw this report from Congress Research list Ripple's decentralized network as an alternative to reduce cost and settlement time of cross-border payments compared to legacy SWIFT. Understand, guys. Look at July 19th, 2021, International Financial Messaging Systems, concerns and issues regarding SWIFT. Wow, look at this. Pretty interesting. They're talking about the cost, speed of cross-border payments, which are lagging behind domestic payments, as well as cybersecurity. Pretty interesting things happening right now. And check this out. I bet there's something going on behind the scenes that we're not aware of, perhaps related to U.S. Treasury. Look at this, guys. I've mentioned this before. This is pretty interesting stuff. Boom. What else proof you need? XRP is on Federal Register official website. XRP will be used for cross-border money transfer. Thank you. Look at this. Here comes the federalreserve.gov website. XRP platform to support cross-border money transfers as well as virtual currency XRP, which can be used to effect settlement of those transfers. Support cross-border money transfers as well as a proprietary virtual currency XRP, which can be used to effect settlement of those transfers. It's all talking about remittances. Pretty interesting things right now, huh? Listen, confirmation after confirmation after confirmation, going all the way back to the SWIFT, stuff with patents and stuff. Understand what you are holding. I can't tell you guys it enough. Now, I also want to talk to you guys about a few other things. I don't know why this isn't loading. Let me refresh these. These are actually a little bit broken, but these are very significant things to talk about. In fact, we're talking about a settlement. We're talking about the SEC case. A lot of people are kind of focused on that right now, instead of the main focus point that their eyes should be on things like this, where we are seeing clear 100% confirmation that XRP is going to be utilized for cross-border money transfers, and their names are on multiple things going all the way back to unlocking $120 billion in value for cross-border payments. Understand, guys. Now, check this out. We should focus on bringing matters to resolution swiftly, he says. We've got precious resources. We need to move the docket, and we will be bringing cases exponentially. So, when we're talking about this, the SEC is asking for another delay, but again, we're seeing Wall Street cop Gensler pledges big cases, faster investigations. I don't know about this, right? Because, obviously this is a huge case. This Ripple versus SEC case is huge, and it has not been fast at all. In fact, we are going on 1 whole year so far. What is happening? Pretty interesting, right? Now, I also want to talk to you guys about this. If the judge finds that XRP is not a security, that the SEC did not give fair and adequate notice to the market, which they did not, if they actually get a ruling and win, that's going to stop Gensler's jurisdictional approach to crypto. Now, I just read this on a video, I want to say from yesterday or the day before yesterday. And you guys might be wondering, well, why are you reading it again? Well, it's very, very simple, okay? So, we're seeing this. Raw Paul said, as soon as this case is over, the exchanges are going to have to buy millions of XRP to list it, and Bitwise will have to buy hundreds of millions of dollars. That news just gave me goosebumps. Laugh out loud. HODL. Now, when we're talking about this, could all of these big exchanges pretty much dump all of their XRP when it got delisted? Maybe not. But it still is a matter of the fact that a lot of people are going to want to be buying into XRP. Listen, this settlement is coming closer and closer as time moves on. In fact, we are on the cusp of a major settlement or the case being thrown out entirely. Okay. Now with this, we have all of this major good news. Okay, we're seeing Ripple's name and XRP's name be pretty much spewed around everywhere and anywhere. Retail individuals understand what XRP is. They just don't know how to get it. I understand that you can get it on Uphold, you can get it on multiple other exchanges as well, especially if you live in the US. But for the most part, it is not an ease of access for a lot of those retail normie investors that want to get on Coinbase and just buy it. Okay? Now, once this does happen, once the settlement does happen and we do see millions of dollars of XRP being bought up here and there, normies FOMOing in, do you honestly think that the end goal for XRP is $10? Absolutely not. Okay? If you are sold out of your XRP by the time that the SEC settles, or maybe they just throw the case out, clarity happens, Ripple US-based customers rejoin the team. All of a sudden, ODL adoption corridors are launching everywhere. Ripple IPO, major relistings. Like I said, the volume is going to be astronomical. Understand what you hold. This SEC case, like I said, it has hurt us, but it also has welcomed in a massive catalytic event to occur. And that is everything that I just said, which will allow a huge FOMO event to take place on XRP, allowing the price to be astronomically higher. So with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night. Wherever you guys are, it's beautiful. It's been Nick. Peace out, guys.